Miniso haul. I have them all laid down here with me, and I've been shopping at Miniso ever since they opened, and because I just got my place, I needed a little bit of items, and I thought Miniso would be the perfect place, so I picked a bunch of stuff that I'm going to share with you guys. So I have this stuff categorized in 3 different topics under kitchen, home in general, and personal. So let's start with the kitchen items. First, I want to talk about the glasses that I got. I got this actually a little while ago, but I'm just gonna add this here because I love them so much. This was $249 if I remember correctly. And the other glass that I got is this super cute Drink Me glass. This also came with this wine stopper, and I got the initial S. They have a bunch of different initials, and this has been so useful to me. Every time I open up a wine bottle and I can't finish it, I've been using this, so this has been very, very useful. So Miniso had so many cute kitchen stuff, but obviously I had to limit myself, so I only got like one of each. And I got this plate, a plain white plate. It's also like a bowl, so I guess I could have my noodle. It could be a bowl as well as a plate, and this was $249. I probably would have gotten more of this, but they only had one piece left in the branch that I went to. With this, I also got another plain white kitchen stuff. I got this tray, and I could use this as a tray in my kitchen, but I could also use this as a decoration. I haven't done a home tour yet, but I don't have a kitchen in my house. If you see behind, that's my fridge, and I have a little table there, and that is basically it. That's the only kitchen that I have, so I have to make everything in my kitchen really small. I do already have a cutting board, but I don't find it very comfortable, and it's quite big. So when I saw this folding mat in Miniso, I had to have it. This was $249, so very reasonable. And then the forks that I want to show you, they're so pretty. They have this marble effect. This was 189 rupees each. Now, a strainer is so important, especially here. I don't have a basin here, so I have to go outside in the balcony to do all the washing. And this is perfect for me because this is double layered, and this has the bottom. So if anything, like if I wash and drain my vegetables outside and then I bring it back inside, I can just put it on top of this, so that way like the water is not spilling everywhere and it's just collected here. So, and I can also use this as an extra storage, so I'm very happy with this. This is also white, so I love it. This strainer was 369 rupees. So this is another thing that I really need in my kitchen. This is a peeler and a knife. I do have a knife, but I only have one knife right now, and I needed to get a second knife anyways because I don't want to mix my vegetable and my fruit knife. So this is perfect for me. This is 369 rupees. I only have one cooking pan, quite multi-purpose, so that's okay with just, I'm okay with just one pan for now. But I have only one daru, the wooden daru, which is flat. So I need another daru for soup. I think this was a little bit expensive, although I do have to say this is pretty good quality. I'm sure this will last me a long time, but I guess I have to put it to test to find that out. And the last item that I got for my kitchen is this glass container. I love this so much. I really like this because it had everything I needed in a container. The glass, the transparent, and the lid, and also plus point, the lid is pink, so perfect. I think this was a little bit expensive. It was $499, but I'm sure this is gonna be worth every rupee. Moving on, I want to say let's go to home. I am really excited about the home section as well. It's very important to have your shopping list and have a theme in your mind before you go out shopping for your place. And with that, let's start with the dustbin office, because I told you my bathroom is gray. This isn't actually gray, it's kind of like bluish gray, and I thought it would go fine with my bathroom because it was gray. But after I brought it home, I realized that my bathroom is dark gray and this is kind of like bluish gray. Although I am quite happy, and I think this is just gonna go in the very corner. It's not gonna be very visible, so I don't think it'll make much difference. This was 369 rupees, and yeah. I got this storage container. This is dark gray. This goes perfect with my bathroom. I need to get a lot of storage baskets for my place because I feel like everything is out in the open. It looks very cluttered, so I want to put like more stuff inside baskets and store them so they don't look very cluttered. So I'm very happy with this. This is 369 as well. Love this little straw basket that I got. This is the smaller size and this was 369 as well. I plan to keep this in my counter in the top, like right next to my door, because I want to keep like all my keys and sunglasses sometimes, so things that you always grab right before going out of the door. Now another thing everyone needs in their home is a screw set. This is 249 and this basically has like all sizes of screws. Okay, I did get a lot of storage bins, so let's talk about these. Whoops, I got two of this white storage bins. I really wanted a storage box for my counter in the front of here because we all have a lot of electronics and we have a lot of wires, like laptop wires, phone wires, speaker wire. We have all of these wires. I have them all in a pouch right now, but it'd be really nice to have them in a container because, like I said, if you have them in a storage box and you can you can put stuff on top of the box as well. They run for 249 each. When I saw these jewelry storage containers in Miniso, I had to get them. The cool thing about this is you can take them apart. You actually buy them separate. The first reason why I wanted this is because I have a lot of necklaces and they're like stainless steel necklaces with gold plated, so they tend to run colors very easily. I wanted this to kind of just like lay out my necklaces or my bracelets like that. Got this because I do have a few rings. I don't think I have too many rings, but it's really nice to have like the ring spot right here. And I think I could also, like, for tiny tops that don't have like hoops, so this is nice for those tops as well. So this was 699 and this was 499. Now another thing that I'm super excited to share with you guys is this candle. It says it's the luxury series candle. This is the pomegranate flavor and it has 3 candle wicks in it, and it smells so good. This was 949. I got this blue, I don't know what this is called, I guess toilet cleaner. This has 8 pieces of it. Oh yeah, this is pretty basic. This is 369. Everyone needs a weighing machine in their home, but I don't think I'm gonna use it in my living room because it's carpeted and we cannot use weighing machines in carpet, so I guess I'm just gonna leave it in my bathroom, which is gonna be like different colors, but that's alright. So this weighing machine was 1199, and yes, with that we conclude our category of home goods. So now let's move on to personal items. So the first thing that I am going to talk about is this lens case, because I wear contact lens. I do need the tools to apply lenses correctly, and this was perfect because it had both of them and it also had this lens case, so it's good for traveling. This was 249 rupees, worth it. I am a big hat fanatic and I need a straw hat in my life so bad. The last one that I had, I left it in Goa because I don't want to travel with my hats too much because I don't want to mess up with the shape, and my straw hat that I took to Goa, this shape was already bad, so I didn't want to bring it back here. I didn't realize that I needed a straw hat when I left my old one in Goa, but then when I came here and I was putting together some outfit, I'm like, oh my god, it would have been so nice if I had a straw hat right now. This outfit looked so much better, so I needed a straw hat so badly. Another thing that I really needed in my wardrobe was nipple covers. I got 2 different kinds. I got the silicone ones and I got the what do you call this, kapra koala. They were both 369 and both of them have 2 pairs. This is something that I'm really excited about. This is a plain white slipper with 2 straps. This is This was 649 rupees, and actually initially I thought of getting this as my bathroom slipper because it's like a rubber one, so wet from the but then now it's been raining like almost every single day, and then I was thinking and I was like, hey, this could actually be really cute to even just wear it with denims outside, and when it's raining it's gonna be perfect. But my worry was that because it's white it would probably look really dirty, so I don't know if I'm gonna be using it outside or for my bathroom just yet. So the next two things I'm gonna talk about is things that I always get at Miniso, always get at Miniso. Cotton pads and wet wipes. I've seen around a lot and I really do like their cotton pads, especially the quality of the cotton pads, and I think they're pretty cheap as well. So this one is 369. You can never have enough wet wipes. I always buy wet wipes because it's so easy for everything. When you want to wipe off things from your face, when you want to clean, I use wet wipes to clean my gadgets. Sometimes I use them for furniture when I don't want to like go and get like my pusni kapra and stuff. And then I also use wet wipes a lot for wiping off my shoes. This was 249 for 80 wipes, so pretty good. Then I also got a folding abstract mirror. I got this because I really liked the abstract thing going on here. This is the mirror that I got. This is how it's going to be standing, and I love the abstract. This mirror, folding mirror, was 369 rupees. So I normally don't get Miniso skin product. I don't know why. I've just never really... I did try like a toner way before when Miniso first came to Nepal. I got like a lavender toner, but the only reason I got that was because it was so aesthetic. They had like flower inside of it and it was so pretty. This time I went around and got this mask cream because I thought this was quite new. I've never seen something like this before. This is 949 by the way. And the thing that really sold me was it says this is a hydrating mask for dry to very dry skin. The last thing that I got is something that I love so much. This product that I'm going to talk about has been on my list for a while, and it is this yoga mat. Look at this Hawaiian floral printed yoga mat. It is so pretty. So I actually saw this like 2 months ago in Miniso and I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. And the great thing about this yoga mat is that it has its own strap. So I don't actually need a yoga bag for this. Oh, this is 1199 rupees. I'm really excited to continue my yoga journey with my new yoga mat. And with that, we come to the end of this haul. I will write down the name of all of these products down below in the description if you guys want to get it, and along with the prices. And yes, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you all.